Lowrance AT2 XL users, I've got a new mount for you. While the factory mount is awesome and built really well, pretty much the only problem we've ran into with it is if you're looking to take it a step further and have adjustability in the transducer angle, it's not gonna let you do that. So what we've got is the new Boat Logix Lowrance AT2 mount. What's really cool about this is it uses the switchblade design that allows you to articulate this from forward over to scout mode. But what it really does is it gives us those 3.5-degree increments of change with the fine teeth that come on this mount. So what's really cool is when you're in forward mode, if you're trying to see a little bit more surface, we can run this thing up 2 to 3 clicks. And then when we're over in scout mode, if I'm wanting to kind of find that sweet spot in between the factory positions, I can run it at that 3.5 or even 7-degree mark and get a really good picture. On the water, we're noticing this little bit of adjustability is giving us those little dead spots that we have seen on the XL, and being able to fine tune that transducer to get our baits on the screen from top to bottom. So if you guys are looking to get finite adjustment out of your AT2 XL, you need to check out the new Boat Logix switchblade mount for the XL. It is a really good option, and it gives you unlimited adjustability when it comes to transducer control. So there it is, and that's factory down. Then we can go 1 click, 2 click, 3 click. So we could run it like that, and then go into scout mode. We can rotate this over, and then same concept. We can click it down, click it down. And then I can rotate it back over, locks in, and then I can take it down back to factory if I wanted to, and then lock her in place.